Hello, my name is Dr. Holly Lewis, and I'm here with Nightingale College and the Writing Center to discuss gradebook feedback, replies, and the etiquette with you today. Etiquette is proper behavior or polite manners. For example, chewing with your mouth shut while you eat. This is proper or polite behavior to follow. I am here to discuss proper behavior or etiquette while you're replying to feedback given to you in the gradebook for Nightingale College. When looking at feedback in the gradebook, there is a potential for 3 areas of feedback depending on the assignment. The first is on the assignment itself. This is not always done. Professors usually only put notes on the assignments for papers, midterms, or Hallmark assignments. There are 2 ways to do this. They make notations directly on that assignment in Canvas, and in this case, the notations will appear like a little map icon on your assignment, and when you click on them, it will open up to the professor's comments. Or they may add the comments to your assignment and save it. And then when they are finished, they will upload your assignment with all the comments as an attachment under the assignment comments. And then when you open the attachments, you will see all the professor's notes on the right side for each page. The second place the professors will put the feedback is in and on the rubric itself. So to view the notes in the rubric, you would scroll up in the gradebook under the assignment, and the rubric will be above the assignment comments. And there are usually detailed notes in the rubric on how you met or did not meet the different criteria in the rubric. The third and last place the professor will provide feedback is in the assignment comments, and this is at the bottom of the gradebook for each assignment. Please make sure you are looking over all 3 areas for the feedback for each of your assignments. Your questions may be answered in the details of the feedback, so make sure you are looking at that feedback very carefully and closely. If you have questions or you feel the professor maybe has missed something or they didn't give you credit for something, you may either email the professor or reply to the professor's feedback by adding a comment under the assignment comments. Whether you decide to email or add an assignment comment, the etiquette would remain the same. You would address the professor professionally. Hello, professor, and then their name. So for example, hello, Professor Lewis. And then you would ask your question respectfully. You would point out what you wrote and how it addressed the criteria specifically, and then you would respectfully ask for clarification. The professor will then clarify and explain the rationale, or maybe potentially they'll write that they missed that because they were looking for it somewhere else, or thank you for pointing it out, whatever they may reply. Now, sometimes the professor may provide a very detailed rationale, but they might be unsure if that is enough information for you. So they may suggest that if you have any additional questions or may like to discuss anything further, that they would be happy to meet with you. And that means that if you would like to discuss anything more back and forth, it would probably not be productive to email back and forth about it, but it would be better to meet in person to discuss it. And that would be better and more productive for you both. Remember, it is very easy to misinterpret or misunderstand emails. Emails should be used when quick correspondence and interaction is needed or warranted. So if a discussion is needed, then an in-person meeting is appropriate. Thank you.